Okay, Pete Speaks, jackhammer. Okay, it's just jackhammer. As it come to be locked, no keys, I locked it to get the right pick to go, and I usually go with the rake. No chance of this. So pin by pin. It's a step up from masters, say. Well, I've never really heard of jackhammer. Masters are everywhere. But let's see how long it takes me. I've only done it the once. It took a little bit, not a long time, but a little bit. Yeah, just pin by pin. You always start from the back, I do. Just a little bit of tension.
Now we all fall like shooting stars, disappear into a dark night. I went to war just to lose the fight. This is round 2 and I'll give my life if I have to. Doctors telling me the bad news, like cancer might be back again. Just hold my head while I cry tears. I don't fear death, I fear what I leave. Don't breathe, spoke to God.
A bit of a bounce there, but
it's not
hitting that right. Keep losing the pin, keeps popping up on the tube. You got him down. Oh, it's popped up again. Got him. Yeah, must be a bit of a freak, eh? Took me a little bit before. It's just a pin there I can't seem to find. It's the fourth one. The others are all down. Yeah, there we go. Just rock it and away you go. It's just binding there. Jackhammer. Proves to be a little bit longer than masters. Anyway, I've had plenty of practice masters. Second go I've had with a jackhammer. Padlock jackhammer anyway.